Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can publish your website for the first time in Google Sites. Now before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, so you guys might want to check it out. Now, just to give us a bit of a background, Google Site is a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both professional and personal use. Now, just like what I've stated, I'm going to teach you how you can publish your website for the first time, but unfortunately, I have already published this website. So as you can see right here, if I paste the link of my published website, I have access to it. I can basically do everything on this website that I have published from here. So as you can see, I have here a custom domain in which I'm going to teach you how you can do it as well for yourself. Right here, I have this custom domain right here. Now, let me just create a new site so that we can get back from scratch. So I'm going to just name this sample and then subscribe right here, like that. You can add content blocks, for example. You got the YouTube link, let's say, for instance. Sorry, let me just click a button, subscribe, just copy the link of this one, insert it here, just like that, so that we just have a sample format, you know. And now that we have some sort of something to work on, let me just publish it real quick. And one thing that you can do with, you do not need to press on this one because this will just share your document with other people, and you don't want that to happen because then they can collaborate with you, in which we already made a tutorial on how you can do that and how you can share and collaborate with others if you want to check it out. Now to publish, you just need to click on the publish icon right over here, and as you can see from here, you can actually set your own web address and it will be your custom domain, as you can see right here. Now, when it comes to setting up a domain, you want to set up something that is unique. Now, let's say, for example, if I just name it Project X, as you can see right here, Google Sites will not accept this because it is already taken. So you want to think of a unique one. Let's say, for example, sample website domain 1111. As you can see, no one has taken this web address yet, so now it's acceptable. And all you have to do is to copy this link because this will now be the link address of your website. Click on publish and wait for it to be successfully published. Now it might take a while if you have plenty contents on your website, but as you can see right here, it has indicated that our website has been successfully published. And now if I click on new tab and paste the link that we just copied earlier, as you can see, we now have the access to our website because it is now fully published. I can even click on button and everything is very functional as it should be, like this one. Sorry, let me get the link to it, like this one. As you can see, I have the access because it is now fully published. Now this is different with sharing and collaborating with others because if you publish it, as you can see, I cannot edit anything here. I do not have access to editing inside the website. So if you want to share and collaborate like this, all you have to do is to watch the dedicated video that we have previously uploaded. So as simple as that, you can easily publish your website for the first time in Google Sites. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like and hitting that notification bell, and also leave a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. And I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.